everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to be doing this video because it is in partnership with one of my favorite brands, as if you don't already know because I do these videos all the time. But I am so excited because FabFitFun reached out and sent me their fall box. Now, if you know nothing about FabFitFun, it is a subscription box that is valued over $200, but you're only paying $39.99, and you get full-size products from lifestyle, skincare, beauty, athletic, all different things. It's also customizable, so you can choose some of the items that actually will come in your box. And for everybody watching this video, I have a $10 coupon. You just have to go online, put in my coupon code, which is Laura-Lee, and you'll get $10 off your first box. So let's just start unpacking this. It is giving me kind of the fall excitement, which I haven't had until I got this box. Also, they switched all their packaging to be recyclable. Awesome, love that. This box is so beautiful. Look at the inside. That is so pretty. We have the magazine. I'm just gonna open it to the right pages. We've got some HelloFresh coupons. And ooh, here we go. This is what it looks like. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna grab this. This is the NCLA Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Oh my gosh, I have the worst cuticles, so this is awesome. This is what it looks like. And right off the bat, this is a Luxe Vitamin E Infused Cuticle and Nail Treatment, which is worth $18. So this alone like almost pays for the whole box, which is crazy. See. Smells really nice. I'm gonna use this tonight before I go to bed. Ooh, look at this packaging. Glow Milk. Oh, it's so cute. It's a milk carton. This is nourished, so Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. What is this? Oh, it's a liquid highlighter. Oh, achieve healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face, collarbone, and blend with your fingertips. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is worth $19.50, and I really want to open this because let's see what this is like. Whoa! Do you see it? Oh, that's very glowy. Let's see. Dang. Whoa. Oh wow, it like turns into a powder finish. I feel that. Oh, that's pretty. It's really, oh, there you go. It's actually really pretty. It may be a tad bit too dark on me. I'm gonna have to play around with it, but I feel like this would also be a really nice eyeshadow. So if I can't use it as a highlighter, I will probably use it as an eyeshadow because it actually turns right into like a powder. It feels kind of crazy. Yeah, this is awesome. I really like that. Next is this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Interesting. That's what it looks like. So it is, oh, it's a cleansing cream. Interesting. So it removes makeup. Packed with, this is so interesting. I've never heard of this. I've always used like a balm, like a kind of sherbet style balm, but I've never seen like a cleansing cream. See if I can open this. And then with truffles, which also makes me wonder what it's gonna smell like. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so it's literally a cream. It doesn't smell like truffle. It does have a scent. Let's see. Well, it got all of the highlighter off, and it's very smooth. This is probably super hydrating for my skin because I kind of have like this weird combination skin. Wow, I'm really intrigued and am very excited to use this. This is $28. I'm probably the most excited about this. I've never tried a cleansing like cream before. Okay, this next one is called Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. And I'm guessing this is for the hair. Nature Lab Tokyo Bamboo and Keratin Fortified Deep Conditioning Treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Ooh. And this is $16. Very exciting. Ooh, Pedi in a Box Deluxe 4 Steps. This is a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and massage butter. Fun. And it's pumpkin spice, I guess, scented. This is worth $20. Really nice. I'm like really excited. I never really do like at home. Oh cool, so it has, you can do it twice. So it has all the steps labeled for you. 1, yeah, 2, 3, and 4. That's really fun, which is great because I don't really like ever do my own pedicure, which I should start. Well, I don't do it properly. Let's just put it that way. Okay. And then here we have celery cream. Whoa, volition. It's hyaluronic acid and peptides. It says your skin will be juiced. I like that. Whoa, and this is worth $55. This is an oil-free moisturizer that targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Very curious how it smells. I'm excited. As I get older, I'm less excited about makeup and way more excited about skincare. Oh, that smells good. Oh, kind of smells like cucumber and like green tea opposed to like celery. Love this jar. It's really pretty. I'm really hyped about these two products here. Okay, actually let's grab this. This is blue light blocking eyewear. So I actually do wear glasses, but a lot of times I forget. And like if I'm lying in bed, I don't wear glasses. And if I'm on my phone, because I don't really need them for like being on my phone, it's more like long-term computer work. But I've always wanted just a pair for whatever. Oh, these are nice. I like these. Hey, these are really cool. So this is, I can immediately see the difference. As I'm trying to explain is I don't need to wear glasses all the time. It's just for when my eyes get tired. So having something to block the light without having a prescription is really ideal for me because I only need it at certain points. These are great. These are Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown tortoise, and these are $45. Wow, I'm putting these right on my desk. Actually, and sometimes, you know what, it's nice, like if I'm in a meeting and I don't have makeup on, I'll just throw on a pair of glasses because it helps cover my tiredness. Oh, okay, what is this? This is the last item. Huh. What is this? Handcrafted design. Oh, this is a cotton basket. Wow, I don't actually own a cotton basket, but I really like this. This might be nice under my desk to put like extra stuff in. Oh, it's so cute. How adorable. This is really, really sweet. This is $60. Made from cotton yarn rope, this basket can be used as a planter for storage or more. Oh, how adorable. I love this. I can just throw everything in here. This is wonderful. So again, there are so many customizations that you can get with your box. So if you are, you know, see something that you don't like in here that I got, you know what, that's okay. You can actually swap things around. And that's what I love, is that it's very customizable and you get to try so many things that you wouldn't necessarily get to try. I just love, you know, FabFitFun, and they have great customer service. There's even been times in the past where I've been on a video and I talked about how I didn't like a product, or it came and I wasn't impressed with it, and like specifically there was a candle and it came like half empty. They sent me a brand new one. I really love, you know, getting all these products. Are good quality and it's super fun. It's like a gift 4 times a year. So if you would like to order, I will have everything in the description down below. Don't forget, you can get $10 off using the code Laura-Lee, and I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again for another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Bye.